In today's video, I want to introduce one of the most accurate indicator on TradingView that gives free buy-sell signals. It's a perfect choice for scalping on 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame. So make sure you watch this video until the end because I'm going to teach you a scalping strategy that is very profitable. Alright, to add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search one-sided Gaussian filter, this one, which is written by LOXX. Alright, this is the indicator and as you can see it's overlaid on the price chart. This indicator is a Gaussian moving average that uses Fibonacci weighting function. Keltner channels are also used for showing zones of exhaustion, and Ehler's two-pole super smoother is also applied to reduce noises without considerable lag. This middle line that you see here and changes color between green and red, it's the Gaussian moving average, and when it changes color, these buy-sell signals are generated. When it changes to green, we have a buy signal, and when it changes to red, we have a sell signal. But as you can see, if we only rely on these buy-sell signals, we will encounter many false signals, especially during flat market or in the pullbacks during trends. The indicator correctly signals the change in the direction, but the movement is sometimes not enough to make the position profitable, or sometimes it's just a pause in the prior direction. So we need to filter the false signals during flat market or in the pullbacks. For this purpose, we add another indicator, which is CCI, this one, Commodity Channel Index, and we need to change its settings. So we go to the settings of the indicator, and here for the length we set it at 100. Then we go to the style tab, and for the upper band we set it at 50. And for the lower band we set it at -50. And let's change the color of CCI line to white so it will be more clear on our charts. This setup is good for scalping on 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame. Right now we are on 1 minute time frame. This is the price chart of euro to US dollar, but you can use this trading strategy on any other asset or market, whether it's Forex, crypto or stocks. The only requirement is high trading volume and liquidity, both in terms of the asset and the broker or exchange that you're trading on, because this is a scalping strategy and the profit and loss that we're going to take are very small in terms of price movement, so we don't want to experience any unreal price gap or large spread between bid and ask prices that can damage our trade entry, stop loss and profit. Everything is already set on the chart, and before we start the strategy, please give this video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. Alright, now let's see how we trade based on this 1 minute scalping strategy. It's very easy and you just need to be focused on the signals and quickly take action so you can catch the expected movement of the price. In this strategy, we use CCI for filtering the false signals. During the times that CCI line is in the middle part, in this blue middle part, we don't take any trade. A buy trade is confirmed only if CCI line is above 50, and a sell trade is confirmed only if CCI line is below -50. In this part of the chart, you can clearly see that the market is in a trading range and we have buy sell signals, and you can see that they are false signals. If you check CCI for them, you can see that for these signals, CCI is in this middle part. So these buy sell signals are correctly rejected. And here for this long position signal here, CCI is above 50. So it's a confirmed signal and we can enter a long position here as this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed below this middle line and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. After this trade, we had a short position signal here at this point. This is not confirmed by CCI because CCI is in the middle part. Moving on the chart here, we have a long position signal, but it's rejected because CCI is not above 50. For this short position signal here, it's also rejected because CCI is in the middle part. Here we have a long position signal, and this signal is a confirmed signal because CCI is above 50. So we can enter a long position here at this point where this new candle is opened with the stop loss below this middle line and profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Moving on the chart, here we have a short position signal, which is actually a false signal, and it happened during this pullback within this uptrend. This is not a confirmed signal because CCI is above 50, as you can see. And for this long position signal here, it's a confirmed signal because CCI is already above 50. So another long position could be opened here at this point where this new candle was opened. And this is also a profitable trade, as you can see, where the price advanced up to this point. This sell signal here is rejected because CCI is above 50. And we have a long position signal here, which is a confirmed signal, and we continue like this during uptrend. And during downtrends, we have the opposite. For example, here, this long position signal which happened during this pullback within this downtrend, it's a false signal. It's not a profitable signal. The movement of the price was not enough to make our position profitable. And as you can see, it's rejected because CCI is below minus 50. For a long position signal, CCI should be above 50. But here for this short position signal, CCI is below minus 50. So it's a confirmed signal. And based on this signal, we can enter a short position at this point where this new candle is opened. The stop loss for this trade is placed above this middle line. And this trade is also a profitable trade, as you can see, where the price declined down to this point. Here again, we have a long position signal which happened during this pullback. And as you can see, it's not confirmed by CCI. And for this short position signal here, it's a confirmed signal. So based on this signal, we could enter a short position at this point where this new candle was opened. The stop loss for this trade above the middle line and the profit at 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Here, this long position signal is rejected by CCI, and the sell signal here also rejected because CCI is in the middle part. And here we have a long position signal. This is also rejected by CCI. This short position signal here also rejected because CCI is in the middle part. And for this long position signal here, it's a confirmed signal. So in practice, based on this signal, we would enter a long position at this point where this new candle was opened with the stop loss around here below this middle line. But this trade would end up in loss because having our stop loss around here, it would have been hit by this price movement. And this is the important point that you must always pay attention. There is no trading strategy with 100% guaranteed signals, and having a sudden unusual change in the market is the only thing that will never change, and you cannot manage that, but you can manage your risk. There is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule, and it's a perfect choice for scalping strategies. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot become a successful trader. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.